Yeah, hi, we are from svsembedded. The project title name is GSM based prepaid electricity energy meter using Arduino and power theft alert system. So if any power theft detected, we will get the power theft alert, and if there is no balance power cut. So we need to recharge the energy meter using ash capital S RC 100. Recharge amount is 100 successful. So there is a ash capital S dot RC capital RC 100. There is no spaces, all are clubbed only. 100, 200, 300. 100 means 100 units, 200, 200 units, 300, 300 units. Power supply, 5 volts power supply module. GSM SIM 900A, RX-TX, those are connected with 0 and 1. Arduino Uno R3 board. Theft detection switch, it is connected to the 4th. LM358 operational amplifier, it is connected to the A0. Power supply, SPDT relay coil, 7th pin, energy meter and 230 volts bulb, and 16 cross 2 LCD display, RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So let us coming into the hardware part. So first we are taking the power supply to the 0 to 9 volts adapter input, and that 5 volts 9 volts DC input goes to here, and same to same this one. So here we are using GSM SIM 900A. Slowly press down, open the SIM card, okay, and insert the SIM card slowly, then lock it, okay, unlock, then lock the SIM card. GSM SIM 900A, Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 red LED, 5 volts power supply board, and this is 230 input to 9 volts DC output. 9 volt with 1 amp adapter power source. Okay, so this is LM358 operational amplifier. The signal pulse will continuously goes to op amp will send the data to the Arduino Uno board of A0 analog. So we are converting analog to digital conversion. Okay, so here 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, it is connected to the 16 cross 2 LCD display, and one SPDT relay coil and one AC bulb. Okay, and this is reset button. If anything is wrong, you can press reset. So here is the theft switch is there. Okay, so slowly you need to open this, open the screw, that switch. Okay, okay, then go to power supply, power on. So here is the energy meter LED on. GSM based energy meter, GSM connected, echo, finding network. So here is the green color LED is network LED. Test message. Okay, delete all messages. So balance is 53, already recharged. Okay, so there is no theft. So continuously bulb on, so continuously power pulse will coming. So again 9 units are there. Balance is 46. Okay, so if any theft detected, see. Okay, take one screwdriver, slowly. T for theft, B for balance, P for the pulse units. Okay, each unit. Okay, T for theft, yes. Okay, slowly close it. Here, press it. Okay, press it. If the switch is not locked, press this side, this will be lock. Okay, theft, no theft detection. So there is, if any theft detector, power theft detected. So once again 5 volts power supply board, and 0 GSM SIM 900A, Arduino Uno R3 board, 9 volts adapter power source. So low balance, please recharge. Okay, so after balance 0, power cut, unit 0, balance 0, and it will, we will receive one other message, low balance, please recharge. No balance, power cut. Okay, so again no units, balance is minus, means that units continuously checking na. T for no theft. Okay, so now I am going to recharge with ash. There is ash, capital S dot after it will space will come RC 200, RC 200, then star, then press send to this SIM card, whatever the SIM card here. So this SIM card we are sending RC, okay, power on, recharge RS 200, RC 200, okay. So we will receive one message also, recharge amount is 200, 200 means total balance is 200, units is 40, okay. So power on, so continuously it will goes on continuously running. If any power detected, then it will send the SMS alert to this mobile number. So I will change the mobile number, I will add your number, okay. Okay, whenever power gone, okay, power gone, after power came, so internal EEPROM will collect the data where the power is disconnected, and the after power came, it continuously comes with that balance only. Okay, so it will take the internal EEPROM data, so 176, yeah, then the continuously the data will be comes. Thank you.